you're good now.
All right, guys, what's up? So if you remember, I ripped the motor out of my Jeep in our first video.
So the plot, they go like that, and then they connected it, and then it went, and now they're not connected, and now the motor not connected to the body of the cars.
Motor mount ripped off the side of the block. Finally, like 8 months later, got a motor back into it. And yeah, I think we're going to take her out. And
so Sam pretty much half-assed the thing. He put all these Chinese parts. He never did anything right, the right way. He did some frame stiffeners, checked the welds, checked the weld swamp.
Check the welds.
Look at them Johns. I'm just saying, could be a little bit better.
I'm just saying,
it's a sweet Jeep. It is not built the right way, but gets the job done. You know what I mean?
We're going to take them out rallying.
Yeah, we're going to go rally these puppies and
see how she does.
It's going to be sick. Sam's going to break some 100%.
Bring me in! Bring me in! This hurts! My thighs! Yeah!
All right, so we're going to do a little rally racing here. And Zach, give us a little rundown. I know we've seen this a couple times, but.
This is my 2000 Toyota Tacoma. It's got a 4-cylinder in it. It's got the Fox 2.5s in the front, Icon 2.5s in the rear. It's just a rally machine. Dude, always full of oil. Change it at least, to be honest, probably like every 30,000. And it's just fine, dude. It's good. It doesn't really need it.
Run the clip of how much he said that it ran better after he changed the oil.
No, dude, don't worry about that one. Mint interior. These are brand new seat covers. Underneath the seats are mint. Bumper indestructible. Doesn't even, dude. It's sturdy, dude. Like it only moves like a little bit.
Yeah,
but it's never fallen off, so that's solid.
All right. Can you move? All right, this is my first truck, 1989 Jeep Comanche. It's got the OG winch, my super nice welded bumper that I built myself. This thing's clapped. I put it on its side once.
How's my form, Zach? This is not funny.
Frame's cracked, but I welded frame stiffeners on recently. Just got done putting a built motor in it. It has ARP head studs, and that's about it. It was off Facebook Marketplace. Just put a new reverse gear in the transmission so it doesn't sound like a tank coming down the road anymore. Insert clip. It's got a Dana 30, a Rusty's long arm radius arm kit off Facebook Marketplace. Pick and pull Ford 8.8 out of a Ford Explorer. Poverty Patagonias, obviously. It has sick custom painted dash, mold, because it's been sitting for 8 months. That radio here is about the most expensive thing on it, and it has harnesses because it's a race car. Moving on, did a spring over swap, rough country shocks. Everybody loves their deck systems, but again, I'm a broke boy. So we got $30 worth of plywood. You know, got to keep all the essentials in here. Skateboard. No, I can't kickflip. This sweet mid-torque.
Sissy!
Maddie thinks that this was a bad deal, but it hasn't not taken a bolt out yet.
High torque.
Sissy. You ain't a real man unless you have a high torque.
So,
Walking.
pretty much, this
Half-inch.
is the camo Comanche. It's pretty lit.
So this is my 1996 Ford F-250. It's got the 7.3 power stroke in it. Pretty sweet. It doesn't make a ton of power, but I did put a 6-piston tuner in it recently, so I think it's a race car now. It's got a downpipe all the way to a full 4-inch exhaust. Other than that, it's pretty stock. It's got the flatbed on it. It's got a ZF5 in it, so it's a little better. Other than that, pretty much stock. But we'll see what we can do with it.
All right, Zach's going first. We're gonna rip this puppy from this sick dirt track. We're gonna drift and have fun.
We're doing a little out and back time.
Woo! All right, guys. We're doing this down and back dirt course track. Private property, you know, keeping it safe. Mason over here is going to be timing us.
Yes,
so
sir.
we're going to try not to hit a tree.
Hopefully we don't hit a tree.
And we'll let you know how it goes.
2, 1, go!
Just going a cool 50. Little tree.
Here we go! Back!
We're going back.
At 10.
The locker really just gets that back end around.
Oh yeah, it does.
That was so sick. So perfect. Oh, fudge. And time.
2 hours 7.
2 hours and 7
No,
minutes.
2 minutes 7.
Yeah.
Yours is the only one that's actually like clapped enough to call pretty much a clapped wheeler.
Have you ever ridden in this like fast?
Here we go.
Yeah,
It's terrifying.
yeah, it's terrible.
It's not like a Tacoma.
Why I don't want to stall an axle.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
What did I break? Holy.
You hit one of those bumps so hard. Here we go, Connor's turn. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Buttery smooth.
Oh, go! Ah! Sam got back now. 14 seconds slower than Sam. 234.
So Sam was just trying to get up onto this thing for the thumbnail, and I think he just blew a power steering pump line.
Face camera towards me. Typically.
How many heavies do you think you could fit in this John?
Oh, that's dialed. For y'all, am I here? So, what am I saying?
Give him the time.
Dude, look at how sexy this thing is. This is way cooler than a damn Tacoma. Holy
Only things a Jeep owner would say.
I'm not a Jeep owner, man. I hate Jeeps.
What's up, chat? I think what is that called? Like pre-weather, like predicted that the Jeep was gonna break today, and it has blown a power steering line, a hole right through it, so it's done its duty. The Ford came in 3rd place with a time of 2:35, 2 minutes 35 seconds. Not bad, but straight stretches is pretty fast. Corners, not so much. 2:20 for time, and then obviously Tacomas, Toyotas, they always win. 2 minutes 7 seconds. Rallied hard, but yeah. Now he gets to drive home with no power steering. This one sounds the best.
Because it has a little
Turbo.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner like, all in, lit the fire when you doubted, now I'm all in.